how to write a trial. So first of all, we identify the problem, then we do a literature search, then we design a study. We decide population, how it will be randomized, what will be inclusion criteria and exclusion criteria, what will be the methodology, what will be the observation or experiment, and the study design, cross-sectional, cohort, or case control. Then we will discuss the timeline, check the power analysis, do the ethical approval, which is correct. Then we will submit this study. Then we will find approval. Then we will collect data. Then we analyze the result and then write up, publish, or discuss and learn the knowledge gain. The publications has impact factor, measure of citation of science and social science journals over 2 years period, used as a proxy for importance of a journal. JBJS has impact factor of 5.13,